How's it going, guys? Welcome to Friday and welcome to Trade Confident. Make sure you guys are subscribed. We are live trading on this channel. Currently have $881 and we've taken these withdrawals in the past here. Guys, we have not lost a trade on this channel called yet. I actually just got done doing a video for Dogecoin as well as Link. We are all guaranteed to win the trade on ADA. So we have a guaranteed win on ADA. We have a guaranteed win on Dogecoin. We have a guaranteed win on Link. That was about 27% profit. And now we have another guaranteed win today on XRP. So make sure you guys follow this update. I was just doing some calculations, guys. I have covered and called 30 trades on this channel. I'm sorry, this is going to sound so arrogant. Please don't take it like this, okay? Understand my point here. We've called 30 trades on this channel. We have not lost a single trade. 31 is Ethereum. 32 currently that's active is ADA, okay? So 30 trades, we have not lost a single trade yet. The reason for this is not to be arrogant, but it's to say that I believe it's because we're using very good risk management and we are using very good dollar cost average entries, okay? So if you guys want to come over here, make this very quick. It's $49 a month. This is super cheap for what you guys are getting. All the metrics are covered up here, and then you guys can get the indicators that I'm using on today's video. And then make sure you guys go over to the live trade setups where you guys will be able to see all the live trades for all the currencies we call. Give me just a little bit to point this out and I'll go straight over XRP. Even XRP right now actually has a new trade setup in here that you guys can get into if you're not currently in here. For example, this is Bitcoin. XRP will look the exact same. You're gonna have a white line for the live price. You are right now, this morning, this metric updates. All of our metrics update on the website, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every single morning, so in 45 minutes. You'll see 4 yellow lines below the current price. Those are your 4 buy limits for that coin or that token. You then have a sell limit, which is the first yellow line above this. Once your first buy limit gets triggered, you guys want to put in a sell limit up here, and then just simply follow me on the YouTube videos, and I'll be calling exits. So that brings us today for XRP. You guys got all in with the metrics at tradeconfident.io. You guys got in at $1.14, pretty much very close to $1.15. $1.14.9 was your entry, okay? That was your first buy limit that got hit. Remember, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 buy limits. This is the first buy limit that got hit. The second one never got hit. So you guys are currently sitting up 10.72%. My official call today is that you guys exit right now 50% of your trade at $1.27 or at a market order the moment you guys see this video come out. And I'm going to publish it. I record it now, I render it, and I publish it to YouTube. These are super fast videos, okay? Let me explain to you guys why I think XRP could be moving back down. What we ended up seeing up here was a push to the top red section for the trend exhaustion. These are in the description if you guys want to get these indicators. I highly suggest you do, so you watch this. When we push into the top red section here for any of these coins, Doge, Ethereum, ADA, I've shown this to you guys. We historically look to see for the price to move back down because that's what's happened in the past. You are going to see times like this where you will have the indicator get overextended. This is even a stronger sign that you're going to see it move back down. The greatest move we've seen move back down in the last, 2 or 3 months has been when the indicator has seen an overextension and then we saw the move down. Besides that, it has been extremely accurate at calling drops in the market, okay? Calling drops in the market here as well. So just showing this to you guys, okay? And we're also seeing this happen up here. We saw this little bit of a drop. This is partly why I'm looking to see an exit. I know at the moment we have this push down into the middle section, but over the weekend, because I'm not going to be covering videos, if this moves back up into the top section, I would be looking to take some profit here again and probably exit the rest of the trade. The reason for that is that it's going to probably create what's called negative divergence for XRP. Let me get this out of the way real quick and I'll explain this to you guys. If we come up here and we create a higher high, follow me here, if this moves into the top red section, this will most likely create a higher high formation on XRP, okay? But I don't believe we are going to create a higher high on the trend exhaustion or the well money flow. So let me talk to you guys about this. The pink line is the price of XRP, okay? The green line is the well money flow of XRP. Come in here to style and take off price for me with just a second. When you guys start seeing price structure move up, but money flowing out of the market, this is a strong sign that you are not going to see the price continue to head up, okay? Here is just a little bit of an example here. Let me see if I can pull this on the chart. If you guys look at this right here, we made a higher high on XRP. Sorry, let me pull this over here. We made a higher high on the chart here. This is the high and this is the higher high. I'm going to draw a little line here. If you guys look down at what's happening with money flow, money is clearly flowing out of the market as we tried to make this higher high. You guys see how this is lower high formations and this is higher high? Well, what happened after that was the it was the biggest drop we've seen in XRP in the last 2-3 months. This is why you need to watch the flow of money with this indicator. If this makes a higher high, I'm going to make this point and we're going to go to the metrics. If this makes a higher high, this will create divergence on money flow to the downside. And I do believe if we get up here, we will see a nice move back down. Okay, it also is correlated to structure highs. This is a structure resistance. Here's a structure resistance that I do believe will act as selling pressure in the market to push XRP back down. Okay, let me show you guys something else in here of what I'm looking at as far as XRP when we look over the metrics. I'm going to keep this up right here. You guys are currently up about 10.96, actually just up a little bit higher. Let me get current price here. Probably sitting right at 11.18%. Okay, so come over here. And then you guys want to just click on XRP. You guys can click on any of these. All the metrics are available. So at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update. Take a look at this. Yesterday's metric that came out at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time showed we were in neutral. I wouldn't doubt if we peek just a little bit into the excited area today when this metric comes out in about 40 minutes. If that does happen, this is a bearish sign in the market for me. The reason for that is that historically, when you see this indicator push into the greedy and the excited section, this is when the whales and institutions like to short out on retail traders, okay? When we see this push into the top green sections, this is when the prices move back down. The price moved clearly back down here. We moved back down here, and even when we got up here, we ended up seeing it having a little bit of a struggle, and we saw this move back down. We also saw this move back down in the market here. On lower time frames, these are pretty big moves. Obviously, we hit the all-time high. I don't like calculating this because all your metrics and all your indicators are going to go wonky on the first initial move of the psychology of a market cycle. Like, I'm not even going to pull this. Don't even think about that. It's everything afterwards that we can help ourselves predict the future very well. So this is the reason why I'm calling this exit on the trade here. Taking a look at this, guys, we do see that the price is moving up and long trades are just a little bit moving up here. But what we did see is a drastic increase of short trades in the market. Do you guys see that if you're looking down here? If you guys looking here, you can see that short trades are moving up faster than long trades are. Short trades are accumulating faster than long trades. So that is another reason on XRP why I'm calling this 50% exit. Now be clear about this, guys. You still have 50% in the market. And actually, I'll make this call right now in case you don't want to watch the rest of the video. I understand. The call here is exit 50% here and set a sell stop. You guys are most likely used to hearing me say a stop loss order is what you hear. It's actually called a sell stop order in your exchange for XRP. I want the sell stop. This is an official call. The sell stop needs to go at entry, $1.14. So the official call today is an exit at $1.27 for 50%, and the remaining of your trade is going to be a sell stop order at break even of $1.14. Okay, follow me here. I just want to make that clear to you guys. I'll give you a little bit more perspective when I'm done with this, but follow that. Okay, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only. I just have to say that, but if you guys are following me, you guys haven't lost a trade. You guys are doing well. Okay. The short trade is looking. This is good short trade territory here. So this is another reason why I'm looking for you guys to take some profits on here. I personally am never going to go short on this channel. I will always be going long. Okay. Take a look at this as well. When we start seeing accumulation of smart money and institutional money starting to push to the downside for short trades, this is when we see a hard time for the market to keep heading up. This is when we usually see the market head back down. Take a look at this. Last time we ended up getting these very nice short trade sentiments in the market, retail traders were buying this thinking we hit the low, and they're buying it and like, oh my gosh, we're going to the moon. No, if you guys watch this metric, it was clear that smart money and institutions and whales were in here looking for short trades, and they ended up pushing the market back down. We see this time after time. When we come in here, the market's going up like crazy. I'm over here looking at this metric with you guys, and we're like, hey, smart money and institutions are looking for short trades, and I'm like, we need to be getting out of this, and that's when the market drops there. We saw this happen here, the market dropped there as well. We saw it happen here, the market dropped here. We saw it happen over here. Are we going to get the drop? That is what I'm looking for on the chart. Now, could XRP keep heading up, and could we blast up here to about $1.35? Yeah, $1.35. Yes, we can. This is why we still have 50% in this trade. If you guys watch this channel, if you guys subscribe, turn that bell notification on because I'm literally making live trade calls on this channel. You will be using very good risk management on this channel. Okay, I'm not going to FOMO into any trades. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be very unemotional. We're just going to use metrics here to call these wins. We're also not going to use news articles. I don't know. Sorry, guys. I got to figure out how to get that off my computer. If I double click this, I actually pop up all these little emoji faces, and I don't know how to get rid of that. But anyways, I'm not showing you guys news articles anymore because they're too manipulative. I literally have turned news article stuff off on my phone, and ever since I started trading with metrics and good dollar cost average entries, we haven't lost a trade, and it's been 30 trades from the beginning of this channel, okay? So looking at the resistance points here, obviously we could head up to the top section here, which is right around that $1.35, okay? And that's on Ripple. You guys can see that clearly right here. As far as a move down here, what I want to take your attention to is this structure support right here, and this pushes right at $1.05 for XRP. $1.05 pushes us at structure low on the chart, which you guys can see right here. So if we get that divergence pattern I was talking about, yes, we could come down and we could be triggered into that lower trade. And when I say lower trade, yes, there is a trade setup right now that you guys can take. If you are not in XRP yet, for those of you guys who are trading this, you can take that on the chart, and I'll show that to you in a second. These are dollar cost average entries. For those of you guys who are holding for long-term, 5 to 10 years, great job. You guys are making a killing on that. Basically, whenever a green line comes out, you can throw in $1,000. Don't need a stop loss. Don't need to take profit. You're just holding for the long run. This will help you guys get into good positions before the price moves up. Take a look at this. This is another reason why I am calling this exit today, because the exit point is on the chart here. We do get overextended sometimes, but we do see more times than not that this indicator does call the moves back down in the currencies before it happens, guys. And so this is why, again, I'm looking to take 50% out of the market for you guys as an official call for XRP. So let's wrap this up here, guys. The official call is a 50% exit at $1.27. You guys are going to do a sell stop order, which is what's called a stop loss, at $1.14.9, your entry. This is a guaranteed win for you guys. Make sure you pick up the price first, the well money flow, and the trend exhaustion. These are in the description. I have a bundle package right now if you guys want to get this, which is ridiculously discounted. It's over at the indicators tab. It's right here if you guys want to click that. Very good deal if you guys want to snag that over the weekend. And then the last thing I want to say is, if you are not in the XRP trade yet, make sure you set up your buy limits. Go to the live trade section, scroll down here, go to Ripple, click this, and you guys will see, just like I showed you in the beginning, you're going to see 4 yellow lines below the current live price. Those are your 4 buy limits. Place them into your exchange and then set your sell limit, okay? So have a good one, guys. God bless you so much. Great job on winning all, basically we're going to win all 4 of those trades. We have Link, XRP, we have Doge, and we have ADA that are all winners this week. And we're just getting ready for next week, guys. So starting Monday, get your subscription, get over here, set all of your buy limits up, and we're going to ride some trades up. We're going to manage trades we're in. And congratulations for those of you guys who are doing so well following the channel. Hope you guys feel really blessed. I've been very honored to be able to work with so many of you guys and see you do so well. I had some traders message me yesterday. One guy's up $3,400, another guy up over $2,000 on ADA and the trades that we've called in here. So just, yeah, send me some testimonials if you guys like. It's just super encouraging. I can share them with the public here. So God bless you guys so much. Have a good weekend. I'll be back on the charts Monday morning doing videos. All the metrics will update every single day, even over the weekend, for all of these at tradeconfident.io. All right, guys, I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.